Okay, so today we're looking at factors. So once again, if you have any problems in this chapter, just refer always back to the key ideas. Some really important points in there. Let's have a look at some of the questions. So question 3, it asks you to list the complete set of factors for each of the following numbers. So let's just have a look at number 10, or not number 10, number A, or letter A, and let's go from there. So for here, all I'd write down in my book is obviously 3A, that's the one I'm doing, and the complete set of factors for 10 is 1 is a factor, 2 is a factor, 5 is a factor, and obviously 10 itself is also a factor of 10. Once again, if you're having trouble to work out what is a factor, factors of a particular numbers that divide exactly into that number. Factors will always occur in pairs. For example, the factors of 20 are pairs of numbers that multiply to give 20, which are 1 times 20, 2 times 10, and 4 times 5. Therefore, written in ascending order, the factors of 20 are 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, and 20. Every whole number is a factor of itself, and also 1 is a factor of every whole number. Okay, so when you're looking for factors, you're finding factors, okay, that can divide exactly into that number. All right, so if we're looking for factors of 20, they're all the numbers that you can divide 20 by and get a whole number. Okay, so that's what we're looking for with our factors. Let's do another one. Let's do 12. Okay, so that's H. So I'll go back to my book. So 3H, and the number that we're looking at is 12. Once again, 1 is a factor. 1 is a factor for every single number. 2 can be divided into 12. 4, okay, 12 is also divisible by 4. 6, 12 itself. Now, I've forgotten one here also. Don't forget 3. It should be in here. Okay, so all the numbers that you can divide the number itself by are factors. Let's have a look at question 5. Fill in the gaps to complete the set of factors for each of the following numbers. Okay, so here for 25, we're looking for a number between 1 and 25 that could fit in there. And the number for that would be 5. Okay. Any number that ends in a 5 is divisible by 5. Okay, so for this one, was that A? No, that was B. 5B, I would copy that out. 1, comma, line, comma, 25, and I'd put the answer in there like that. Okay. Let's do a problem solving question. So question 9, Zane and Matt are both keen runners. Zane takes 4 minutes to jog around a running track and Matt takes 5 minutes. They start at the same time and keep running until they both cross the finish line at the same time. How long do they run for? Okay, so once again, when you're looking at problem solving, try to collect information. So both of these boys are runners, and it takes them 4 minutes to jog around a running track. Okay, that's for Zane. All right, Zane takes 4 minutes. Matt takes 5 minutes. All right. So Zane's taking 4 minutes to run around the track, and Matt's taking 5. They start at the same time, and they're both running until they both cross the finish line at the same time. So how long do they run for? So what you need to work out here is basically you need to work out the multiples. Okay, if they're both running around the track and they're both wanting to finish at the same time, run across the finish line at the same time, you need to work out the multiples. Okay, so for Zane, he is going to cross the finish line at minute 4, at minute 8, at minute 12, at minute 16, and at minute 20. Okay? For Matt, he's going to cross the finish line at minute 5, so they don't line up. At minute 10, they don't line up. At minute 15, they don't line up. And at minute 20. Okay? So they're the two multiples that line up. All right? So for 9A, how long do they run for? Both boys will run for 20 minutes.